All right, we are with Arman from
Revizto.
Revizto.
Yeah.
Okay, Arman, so tell me what Revizto is.
Revizto actually is a lightweight gaming technology which came to the serious world of architecture and engineering. And what we believe in a true communication in this world, which is lacking as of today, because engineering, the architects, engineers cannot communicate very well with the rest of the world, like like owners, builders. And what we bring a very simple tool which turns your SketchUp model or Autodesk Revit model with one click, literally one click, into a fully interactive navigable environment, like walkthrough.
Okay, so wait a second. So what you're saying is that the tools that architects we use, let's say SketchUp model, Revit model, and we're trying to communicate with an owner, and there's something, it's difficult, right? It's difficult to communicate that information to the owner.
Sure, because owner does not have no knowledge of how to use Revit or SketchUp to see what you're doing, and what you're using as an architect, a classic render, right, or a video, but it doesn't give any depth of the picture what you do.
Okay.
What we bring from right from the beginning of your design process that you can just click and it takes seconds to turn.
Show me.
All right.
Because I'm an architect and I have a problem communicating to the client.
Sure.
So
I mean, this is...
So this is a SketchUp model you're showing me. It's a model of a house.
Yeah, this is a model of a house.
Three-dimensional model of a house.
Right.
Yeah.
So I can walk through like in a game and click on any part of the house. Let's say I'm clicking...
Is there any... Do you mind to see if you can show? I don't...
So I'm clicking on a let's say I'm seeing, what is this? Aaron Miller chair. So not only the visual part we're bringing, but also the BIM data and all the data attached to it.
Okay, so what you're saying is that I send you a SketchUp model. Right. No, I create a SketchUp model, I put it through Revizto. The client gets this, and it's a much simpler version, so they can then navigate and move through the building.
I mean, it simplifies, but it gives you the full picture, so it's not cutting anything off. So you see the same thing what you have in a Revit, but in a much better way. And not only that, let's say I can put a chat, and I can chat with you, saying, you know what, change the color of this wall, and put the message here. Change, right? Return.
I got it. So what he's showing here is you can click on part of the building that maybe you have a question about. You can click on it and say, Steven, I don't like this color. Change this color.
Yeah. And you don't...
This tool seems like a very dangerous tool to me.
No, it's not. Because first of all, you save a lot of money because you don't spend a lot of time on making a presentation as a render.
Got it.
You give a full time, a real-time 3D. And you're in a sync in real time. Okay. And that gives more benefits.
I get it. So basically the idea is you're giving access to the full built computer model to an owner that in this version can then go through the model, navigate through and see everything, have questions, comments. My only concern is that when I make a SketchUp model, I will then create renderings from the two views that are really finished, and the other four are quite not ready yet.
But in our tool, actually, for you as an architect, you can actually select which part you want to do and take it through to interactive model, only those parts.
Okay.
And not only that, I mean, it's not only for the owners, but for the contractors, for builders, they don't have tools. I mean, you're doing it, and they can see what's happening on the field.
Got it. So they can measure.
Right, and they can measure, they can see.
I can see that being a great tool. That sounds fantastic. Okay, thank you so much, Arman, from Revizto.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.